Hi, we are Team HelloWorld. In this product video, we will first explain the problems that students and staff face when forming project groups, followed by a walkthrough of TeamUp, which is our solution to these problems. During our pre-prototyping survey, we interviewed a total of 56 NUS students from various backgrounds. According to our survey, 75% of the students rated the difficulty of finding teammates as average and above. Painful, stress, destiny, luck. This is what we got from them when asked to describe their team forming process. In addition, 87.5% of them indicated that they tend to put in less effort in their works if they don't like their groups. Indeed, being in the wrong group has a great impact on team synergy and quality of work. This may in turn affect their career outlook and unique experience. As seen from our survey, students wish to form teams on their own, but that's not enough. They also want to know each other's backgrounds and skill sets before forming a group. This is the essential needs of students that we must address. Although most project groups are formed by students, we found out that there is still a fair share of groups that are formed by teaching staff. We then conducted face-to-face interviews with faculty staff to have a better understanding of their needs and concerns in group allocation. Our interviewees shared with us that currently the only available group assignment tool is a randomizer on IVLE. However, using this does not guarantee fairness or diversity amongst the groups and may create polarized groups that impair collaborative learning. Staff can only resort to manual adjustment of the groupings, which is often tedious and inefficient. Indeed, staff highlighted their needs for a tool that helps generate balanced groups while ensuring the diversity within each group. This impelled us to develop a staff portal to better address their needs. TeamUp is a web application that provides customizable analytical team formation solutions to both students and teaching staff. After logging into the student portal, the user is greeted with a list of modules with projects. For each module, he can jump right into finding group mates by clicking on the yellow button. Alternatively, he can click on the course info button to have a better understanding of who his classmates are. We also provide a link to NUS mods, where students can conveniently find a comprehensive module description. Upon clicking the course info button, the user can view class demographics through the different visualizations. Students will thus have a better idea of who they want to form a group with. In addition, students have frustratedly complained of losing track of deadlines in midst of many projects. Unfortunately, the current countdown to finals feature on Luminous is unable to help with this. Therefore, we provide a customizable timeline that allows students to add reminders at any time. Clicking on the Find Me Teammates button will direct the user to the Filters page. This is where the user can specify the kind of teammate he wants to find by applying the relevant filters. Based on the user's preference, TeamUp will query the database and extract a list of students that meet his needs. He can then invite a student to join his group by sending him an email. Similar to the student portal, staff is also able to view the module statistics of the courses that he is currently teaching. The main difference is in the way that project groups are formed. Staff can choose to assign students into groups by clicking the Create Project Groups button. He will then need to specify the number of students in a group and how he wants the groups to be formed. Here, we provide three options. Staff can choose to put students with diverse backgrounds into the same group or just create random groups. If he wants to maximize fairness between groups, he can use filters to specify the attributes that all groups should be similar on. For example, selecting cumulative grade points will ensure that the groups are similar in terms of academic abilities. Groups are generated using machine learning algorithms such as k-means clustering. With TeamUp, students are now able to find teammates based on their preferences. Being in a desirable group leads to smoother collaboration and better performance. At the same time, TeamUp provides a variety of group allocation options for teaching staff so that they can create fair groups that ensure diversity in a few clicks. As such, Team Up is able to address the needs and concerns of both students and staff.